Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Intan Nuna Darlies from 5D class. In this video, I'm going to explain about introduction to interpreting. What is interpreting? Interpreting is the process of translating spoken or signed language from one language to another in real time. It can be done in two main forms: simultaneous interpreting and consecutive interpreting. The difference between translation and interpretation. The form is translation. In translation, the form of translation is written, while in interpreting, the form is oral or spoken. Basic required skills. The basic skills required in translation are reading and writing, while in interpreting, listening and speaking skills come first. The form of activities. Translation activities are static because they involve written text, while interpreting is dynamic because it involves direct communication. The participant. In translation, the participant include the writer, translator, and readers. In interpreting, the participant are the speakers, the interpreter, and the listener. The environment. Translation is usually done in a delayed time, while interpreting happens in real time. Creativity. Translation can exercise liberties. Interpreting needs to be true to the original to prevent. The development of interpreting studies. Ancient era usually become interpreters by accident, as they were able to speak more than one language. Colonial era. People from different nations start to communicate one another, and the role of interpreter took place. Conference interpreting or consecutive appeared in 1919 after English started to be the first international language, replacing French. Simultaneous interpreting appeared after the invention of technologies for interpreting in 1920s. Establishment of interpreting trainings, interpreting organization. Modes of interpreting. Consecutive interpreting is interpreting which is done after the interviewer speaks. Simultaneous interpreting is interpretation that is done almost simultaneously with when the speaker is speaking. Done in a team because of the continuous taking, so you have to take turns. Types of interpreting. Conference interpreting. This interpreting is used at a meeting or a conference where the participant speaks different language. Sight interpreting. Generally, interpreting activity involves the activities of listening and speaking. However, sight interpreting comprises reading and speaking. Escort interpreting. Escort interpreting is a type of consecutive interpreting which is usually used for a small informal setting. Whispered interpreting. Whispered interpreting is a form of simultaneous interpreting which is usually used for a small group meeting. Liaison or bilateral interpreting. The interpreter translates two parties or more into language. Telephone interpreting. Telephone interpreting is actually a bilateral interpreting which uses telephone as the media. Television interpreting. Television interpreting is a type of simultaneous interpreting that uses simultaneous interpreting equipment. Video conference interpreting. Video conference interpreting makes use of internet technology. Community interpreting takes place in community-based setting situation. This includes education, housing, legal, social security, and police. Court interpreting usually work with lawyer, witnesses, or defendant. Medical interpreting. Medical interpreting is necessary in medical fields so that doctor or any medical staff and patient may have a good communication regarding the patient health condition. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.